Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. Looking at the weather map, you can see a front which is close to the Arklatex, and the area of low pressure along this front is going to drift towards the east during the nighttime hours tonight and through the day tomorrow. As it does so, it will likely bring more rain to our area and a possibility for a few thunderstorms, especially across the northern half of the area, which could produce just a little bit of hail. Severe weather risk is looking rather low with this feature. In fact, this is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. No major concerns. If anything, maybe just a little bit of hail. Not looking at much of any tornado threat, as you can see that green there indicating it's just a marginal risk. In other words, any hail report that we receive would be very isolated across the region. So here's a look at Robin's Story to Futurecast going through the nighttime hours tonight. You can see the rain increasing. Notice the model really doesn't show a whole lot as far as intensity. Just a few of those pop-up thunderstorms here and there. Main thing is the scattered nature of the rain, which will continue as we go through your Wednesday. Going through Wednesday night, we'll see the periods of rain continue across the Arklatex. A little bit more coverage late tomorrow night. And then Thursday, we'll see that coverage decrease temporarily, only to increase again late Thursday evening into Thursday night. In fact, the more widespread rains actually could move across the area as we look ahead to Thursday night. You can see a longer range version of Futurecast showing some heavy rain moving across the region Thursday night. This is in response to a surge of rather chilly air, which is going to be invading the area Friday, and will bring the potential for some freezing temperatures to parts of the Arklatex for Friday night. Going through Friday, again, those clouds will decrease during the day, giving way to a partly cloudy sky by late afternoon. And going through Friday night into the weekend, we'll see quite a bit in terms of sunshine. You can see that north wind, which will die down Friday night and Saturday. And, of course, that's going to allow those temperatures to flirt with freezing. Rainfall potential. We're still looking at the potential for some decent rain here moving forward. You can see Futurecast showing half an inch to an inch, northern third of the area, inch or more, maybe even 2 across the south. And the trend has been higher and increasing in these numbers here. So again, good inch, maybe 2 possible across especially northwest Louisiana and East Texas. Temperature-wise tonight, looking at lows dipping into the low 50s across the north, low to middle 60s across the south. You can see the 62 in Shreveport. 56 tonight for the low temperature in Texarkana. Daytime high somewhere. Not going to see a big rebound in temperatures. In fact, our high probably will be in the morning. Temperatures will probably cool off during the day tomorrow, as we'll see a low 60s across the north and low to middle 70s across the south. Now, as far as the longer range weather pattern, you can see the first little impulse moving across the middle of the country here for the end of the work week. Here comes another impulse which moves through, could bring us a little bit of rain Sunday, and then the big upper level trough. You can see the big ridge dipping climbing all the way up into Canada, grabbing the Arctic air and plunging it southward. That's what's going to allow an even colder air mass to potentially move into our area by the middle part of next week. So all that said, 7-day forecast shows that we will see the rain, thunder probably tonight, tomorrow. Not really much of a severe weather threat. Mainly rain for Thursday night. Friday, that rain comes to an end in the morning. We'll see some light day sunshine. Lots of sunshine Saturday. Possibility, not set in stone, but just a possibility you could see some rain Sunday. And then will dry out again for the rest of next week with daytime highs mainly in the 50s in the week ahead. Overnight lows mainly in the 30s and 40s. And you can see a couple nights there. These are Shreveport numbers where we will dip into the middle 30s and can't totally rule out dipping close to freezing. So keep Friday night and Monday night, Tuesday in mind for the potential for some freezing temperatures, even as far south as Shreveport. Those numbers will be changing somewhat as we get closer to those time frames. Texarkana, again, very close to freezing for Friday night, 33. Same thing for Monday night. Your best chances of rain Wednesday, Thursday, and another slight chance for Friday, as we will see highs mainly in the 50s with Sunday only 48 for the daytime high. You can see low 50s as we head into the first part of next week. So the theme in weather here for the week ahead is wet to begin with, and then turning much cooler with more January-like temperatures than November. Highs mainly in the 50s and lows mainly in the 30s and 40s.